Okay, good day. This is a short 5 or 10 minute introduction to some of the 15, 20-minute videos about various aspects of how technology, breakthrough technology, advanced AI, other technologies like genetic engineering, body part replacement are very possibly going to radically change our lives. When I say radical, I mean radical, example, terminate aging in the human species. So the technologies are radical or advanced AI, which has gotten a lot of attention since 2022, the rollout of ChatGPT, appropriate public attention. Genetic engineering, perhaps you've heard of CRISPR, CRISPR, which is basically a way to edit DNA, tissue engineering, regenerative medicine. I mean, we're already doing kidneys and knees, and the Wake Forest Institute of Regenerative Medicine, just not far from where I live, already grown bladders and vaginas, blood vessels, and they're working, last time I looked at the website, on 30 others. Robotics, tremendous advances in robotics, Japan, particularly Japan and elsewhere. The whole concept of merging computers and human beings, pacemakers, just a very primitive technology almost now, breakthrough at the time, but increasingly common. And so we're on the verge of a whole range and realm of category of enhancements. And those enhancements are going to come in 5 basic areas that my colleagues and I have identified. Physical enhancement. I refer to terminating aging, but that's just, of course, one physical enhancement. Cognitive enhancement. Affective or emotional enhancement. And even, I'll explain this in another video, moral enhancement, and then for some people interested in spiritual enhancement. So what's happening with all these technologies is we're putting our hands on the levers of evolution, which is, evolution historically has taken centuries or even millions of years. And now we're putting our hands through technology and genetic engineering and those other breakthrough technologies onto the levers of evolution. And we can think about this in terms of a continuum where we have, quote unquote, ordinary human beings, ordinary sort of abilities in the capabilities in these 5 areas, transhuman, which are enhanced human in these various areas, technologically enhanced human, and hence the term transhumanism, which is the movement which advocates these developments. But then we need to be thinking about, as a society, as religious traditions, we need to be thinking about post-human and all of the complicated philosophical and religious and other implications of post-human persons. So I talk about these 5 categories in various videos, and then there are particular issues that I devote to videos devoted to mind uploading or whole brain emulation. We talk about moving the brain/mind or whatever into some sort of computer platform. That's one. And then something that is eventually every presidential candidate is going to be talking about in every campaign, but we're not quite there yet. Superintelligence, which is AI on steroids times 100. I have a video on that. And then a very interesting cryonics. And I'll give you an inside look at the cryonics, the leading cryonics company in the country. So I will just close with teasing you with this. I'm the co-editor with a UK author of an academic series of books. This is academic books, but I want you just to get the name of the series, because it sort of captures where we're going with all these videos. Palgrave is the publisher. Palgrave Studies in the Future of Humanity and Its Successors. So my final point is big money is behind all of this. Silicon Valley is heavy into it. And basically what's happening is science fiction. The fiction is slowly, well, not all that slowly in some cases, falling away into science and technology that will impact our lives and the lives of your children and grandchildren. Governments are engaged in this, all the way from Putin's Russia to China to our government is at the highest levels is briefed on all of this. I know, but it's not yet not yet made it into the public discourse, but it needs to, and that's part of my job here. Thank you very much. I look forward to journeying with you on some of these topics in the videos that are on the website. Thank you.